Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs with butter. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients and essential tools. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Also, grab a non-stick pan, a rubber spatula, a small bowl, and a whisk. These items are key to achieving perfectly creamy eggs. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the eggs. Carefully crack 2 or 3 large eggs into your small mixing bowl. Next, add a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavor. Using your whisk, beat the eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture. With your eggs whisked, it's time to cook them. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow the butter to fully melt and coat the bottom of the pan. Once melted, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center with your rubber spatula. Continue gently folding the eggs until they are mostly set but still appear slightly moist and glossy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. It is crucial to remove them from the heat just before they are fully cooked, as they will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Overcooking leads to dry, rubbery eggs. Serve your perfectly creamy scrambled eggs immediately on warm toast or alongside your favorite breakfast items. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.